Okay, we are welcome to Kenny Mass Clinic. Just for a while now, we have been working on some things just to give you the best and only the best. Now, this moment, we're looking at quadratic equation. I really want to appreciate everyone that have been tuning into this channel, and for all my subscribers and the new ones. Please, thank you very much. Please, let's keep sharing the video. Let's keep liking it. Please keep your comments and do everything possible so that everybody around you and those that have children and those that have puppies in their area, let them know that yes, there is a YouTube channel that is meant and that is fully ready to give every detail on every mathematical question. We are here for you. Okay, now this moment we'll be looking at this quadratic equation. And the first question here is a squared plus 3a plus 2 is a quadratic equation. Now, our attention is going to be on this plus 3a. Now, look at this plus 3a. Now, we're going to look for two different numbers that when we multiply it together, it will give us this constant. And when we add them together, it will give us plus 3a, which is the variable here. So now, if you check very well, you agree with me that the two numbers that can give us, that will multiply together to give us plus 2, and when we add together, it will give us plus 3, can only be 2 times 1, which will give us 2, and 2 plus 1, which will give us 3. So in that case, the two values are going to be plus a plus 2a, or we say um, 2 plus a, 2 plus 1, which is also. So now, to replace plus 3a, I'm going to have a squared, so I can say plus a plus 2a plus 2, meaning this is replacing this. I said it, we need two values that when we add together it will give us this plus 3a, and when we multiply, just like saying 2 times 1 will give us 2. Now I can say 1a, but a is already representing 1. So you don't say 1a is already 1. It's standing for a value. So now, in this case now, I'm going to take these two, I'm going to take these two. So from here, meaning I have a squared plus a will be one bracket, here too, and I have um, okay, so I'm not going to put the bracket first, plus 2a plus 2. Now, taking these two, for instance, now I'm going to consider this, and this. Meaning, now, what is common here is what? A. And if A should leave here, it will remain only A, plus A cancel A will give me 1. Then this one, what is common here? Now, here is already plus. What is common here is 2. Now, if 2 should leave here, remaining A. Now, if these 2 should divide these 2, it gives me 1. Can you see? So, these two brackets must have the same value for you to know that your quadratic equation is actually correct. Now, this and this will form one bracket, A plus 2. Then, any of these two, because they are the same now, A plus 1. Can you see the answer? That is the answer. That is the answer. That is the answer for number 1. Now, let's look at number 2 for more understanding. Says s squared plus 4s plus 3. Now the same thing, I need two values. That when I multiply the two values, it gives me 3 plus 3. And when I add the two values, it gives me plus 4x. Now the two value is, you can't say 2 times 2, because 2 times 2 will give you 4. The only thing we can say is that it's 3 times 1, which will give us 3, and 3 plus 1, which will give us 4. Now, so this plus 4x, the two values are going to represent this 4x now. Plus 4x. So now we're going to have s squared plus x plus 3x plus 3. Because this, when you add the two together, it will give you plus 4x. You see now, so it has replaced this. So from here now, I'm going to have s squared plus x plus 3x plus 3. Now, between these two, something is common, which is x. I put it here. I put bracket. If one x should leave here, I'm left with x. Plus x divided by x will give me 1. I close it. Here is plus. Something is common between these two. What is that? 3. I put it here. Now, if 3 should leave here, I'm left with what? X. 3 divided by 3 will give me 1. Can you see? The two brackets are having the same expression again. So now this and this will form the first bracket, x plus 3, and I can pick any of these because they are the same, which is s plus 1. Can you see the answer? This is the answer. Now if you check it, now one secret here is that when you are solving it, for you to know that yes, the two values that you actually thought of are correct, you must to make, in fact, they have to give you the same value in the brackets. Look at this one, a plus 1, a plus 1. Look at this one too, s plus 1, s plus 1. So if they don't give you the same value, know that something is wrong with your solution. Are we getting it now? Are we getting it now? So now, this is the first lesson of this, which I want us to take a very good look at it. And please, you can play it over and over again for you to get more understanding. Please. So I'll be seeing you in the next class so that we also have other assignment to do. Thank you.